Amo na nga itong sinisaring ninik kay nakulog na kita lawat iyahan dagat hugaw. Amo ito na kailangan meda na hirap. Bawal ilog itong labo ka dagat hadi kalinip yung dagat din hindi na kahugaw na.
Yan na, pero ano. Dapat punos na ito. Kaya na binili ito walo. Balik ka sa beer.
Cooking breakfast. It's January 3 now. January 3rd. Nick is still sleeping. Just letting him sleep more because soon we're gonna be waking up early again when the school starts for the kids. So right now we're just
My huge head.
You hit your head?
No, my huge head.
Your huge head? What's wrong with your huge head?
My hair is blowing to my face earlier.
Like that?
Yeah.
Because of the electric fan?
Mm.
Oh.
Mm.
Do you like this couch?
Yeah.
So much better than our couch in that house, huh? Yes. So much bigger.
So,
Yeah.
but remember last time
What?
people were sitting on our couch like all the way around?
Yeah, all the way around. A lot of people here.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had a lot of visitors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For school?
It's our breakfast. Got don't eat.
Well,
She needs it for school. You have a lot of pencils.
You were so excited about this pandemic.
Sammy, go, come on. Kamu lang ako niya? Try pa. Yan na.
Wala pang panduha.
Ako wala namin nakauna na. Part this side. The other end. There. Take a bite. Mm. Do you like it? Eat it with rice.
No.
Tastes better with rice.
Fine. Where can I find rice?
I don't know. You hid it under your noodles.
Look, mommy.
Yeah. May ada di na na tinula kuan harap. Oh. Mm. Nasa buwan ng hotdog? Hello. Oh. I don't want to.
Mama,
Sophia's more cautious. That's how.
I need water.
What's up here, baby?
No, I want my own.
You just drink for now. If you need it really bad, then take whatever's in front of you. Sophia was like, Mommy, when we were swimming, I need to pee. Can I pee in the water? Mm-hmm. I said, yeah, you can in the ocean. Amo nga ni. Amo nga ni nagsarat niya. Mami ko, no pwede ako umihi. You did? Kasabay. Nasarit ka pa.
Instead of peeing in the grass,
Mhm.
did that most. Over at Dennis Church's playground.
Crispy. Bolado. You don't like it anymore?
No.
Good. I like my matcha.
My strawberry one is so yummy.
The cookie from Disneyland.
How come you know?
Hong Kong Disneyland.
I like you.
That's good. Yeah. A balcony with all the clothes hanging in there.
We don't have a wash. We don't have a cleaner.
Lola, bless.
Panginoon Diyos. God bless you.
Kamu na ito't malam here, bless. Lola, bless.
God bless you.
Talk to Lola. Talk to Lola.
Ilan kisamanta?
5. Sophia, 8. Kay Sophia, baganat 14. Sa taas.
14.
Kasi nga mga tao, katataas ko, no, baganat daraga ko manggios.
Mahataas ito.
Kaya, supo ka niya, daddy. Kuhan, kataas. Nasing ako, tiliwanan ka na ako, tapos magpipicture kita. Ayan.
Alaka mo.
You're hungry?
Papalay ko.
Dito din mo wheelchair. Ayan, kadaliman lang ito. Picture kita.
Kaya naman ka makakatulugan.
Bukas na.
Uy, aba-ada.
May klase na dito, Lunes.
Ha?
Yan ang nga yung taat ko kami nilakad. Kami ko apot naman kagabi.
Iyan, dahil kung ano yung tao, walang manakibarayar.
Sige, chikash ko na lang, porta. Madalimang na ito nila makuha din eh. Ano wali kay Barayat, kaya na mo di mo nakukuha.
Ay man.
Kain man yan eh.
Nakakong ka ng buwan na sa Spain.
Ay man.
Ako ang ayarit na balkon.
Kain na balikod.
Ito mabalay na ako manamon.
Kain man ito na ayad.
Yung balkon,
Tino lang sabihin.
ay anak pinaayari.
Hiyay.
Ako ang bayan at wala.
Binuwaan ka lang.
Pati ramit mo ayat.
Waray man di na ayad.
Ito bago ito mga ato.
Ano mo ato?
Nabago.
Sa Ismail na ito.
Kaya kayan kawayan ang buwan Rizal.
Kawayan nga hadaman libre man.
Nailong Rizal.
Hiyay.
Ang bayad kan ramen. Kaya rin ito sa Spain. Mga ganito na 4 na nagulong ang Spain.
No, I want Coke.
Coke, no. Not until dinner, lunchtime, after lunchtime. No.
I want it right now.
Ay,
We're talking to Lola right now. See, we're talking to Lola. Talk to Lola. Talk to Lola.
Lola bless.
Lola bless. Ako na parang hiya. Lola bless. Sige nga, kumusta?
Kamusta, Lola?
Kumusta, Lola?
Kamusta?
Lola on the floor. Say Lola.
Lola bless.
Pasok kaayo.
Lola bless.
Lola init kaayo. Say Lola init kaayo. Maram na tiya. Init kaayo.
Ini kaayo.
Ano man? Init kaayo.
Ini kaayo. Lola.
Init kaayo, Lola. Say, kumusta, Lola?
Kamusta, Lola?
tinutulong ka mo.
Oo, kay mapakatulo tira kay magpapakuan hirahan badohan senior. Papatahi. Lola.
Bless.
Lola. Ano lang yung marab, Lola?
Lola, bless.
Bless.
Kaya naman ako nakapalakat ako. Kaya nang ako nalako.
Ah.
Your face is cracked.
My face is so long. Hey, Sammy, Lola wants to come with us
Where?
to Tacloban. You want Lola to live with us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, papaukyon ka dito, Balayla. Ato ka laigbaw. Yeah, mabantay him.
And where is she going to sleep?
Upstairs, in your bedroom.
Maybe in Tita Rafi's
Nawon
room.
na liwat.
Maybe in Tita Rafi's room.
And Tita Rapi's room.
Yes.
Mabalik man liwat kami kuan. Di dahil patron, oo. Ano naliwat kami patron.
So she's going to sleep.
Kundi, ilista ito, lista.
Magkukuon ka lang, mag-iihaw o magpapakitering.
Magpapakater lang kami lang kay makuan, makapoy, and pagluto.
Luto.
Das damoy tot libang, di ba? O, mapakad to, balik. Madamot libang, just put it in the trash, love. You drop it, put it on the floor.
Ipagpakitering, hain man papakauna.
Okay.
At tagawas.
Oo, magkukuan lang ito. May ano mga...
Lami sa hirap.
Uy, careful! Your hair can get stuck in there.
It mga lamay sa era ito dara.
Ambot nga ni, usually, pag nagpapakater ka, may aday ito, lamisa, lingkuran, kung pira ka tao, imo sisingon, masaring ka, 100 ka tao. Amo ito ning babay daan. Tapos dara na ito nila mga lingkuran, lamisa, tapos luluto nila kung pira ka tawuan.
Diri ka na magtotal nga 100.
Diri.
Di na na kung matima na pangamon.
Ata diri ito pwede sugad. Diri, Lola. Matotal ka ito sa ka mag-hire haira. Para maramira kung gaano kadamot ira. Lulutuon. Diri. Itira lulutuon. Tapos mga lingkuran, mga plato, mga kubyertos, sugad ito. Pero kung may kukuha ko nga magluluto, magpaluto na lang. Pero kay makapoy.
Oo.
Kaya ako pa magpipinamalit.
Ikaw, amo lagapon, mamamalik ka dito, mga panakot. Magpapalikin baboy.
Utang, ito nga kami hininipangki. Hit gastos. Ang tunga iya, katunga akon. Ay, wari man. Di ko ito susuluhon. Hiya, itong tunga. Kaya may ada naman hiya kita.
Wari ka na.
No.
Because I smell something.
What did the bird cook? Oh, sweet and sour fish. Nice. Have our lunch. Sweet and sour. Yeah, it's yours. Sweet and sour fish. You have enough rice? You want more?
That's good.
Boy.
The girls came down at the right time, and then you washed your hands, which was the right next step. But then, I don't know what happened to you.
Boy.
You got sidetracked. You're supposed to come
What
sit at the table and
happened?
eat.
Oh, sorry. Oh, no. That was so close.
Lay down. So I get up.
Kaya ano waray niyo pa salamin ni Lola? Di dahang pagkanhihan koan. Nagsasalamin.
Mommy, let me sit down.
You sit down then.
No, I can't. Sammy, you're supposed to sit there. No, I'm supposed to sit here.
You sit right there na.
Because I want to see ball.
Hoy, not yours. Hoy, your hair is getting adobo.
I don't want something.
Oh, tagi kipa ko ang kipala sandok.
It was,
Honey. Sandok. Na sweet and sour fish. Hadi, kanan na iskabichi. Ha? Pangkuan ba? Pangkuhit.
Back down.
Sakwit ba? Pangsakit. May kabibigid na.
is this the same name as the restaurant?
Ano daw na natin?
Is this different?
Oh, ano?
It's a different one.
Okay.
Ay, pati ba naman adi nilanggam? Be careful when you're using a napkin. Even this one got ants in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You get ants all over your face.
Going in there.
Kada mo tubak, pati ba napkin gitu. So they're supposed to only eat sweet. So how, did you already continue it? Resume time. Oh, so look at how it is. That's nice. You can actually pause. Yeah.
Daddy, look. Daddy, does this look good on you?
I put more on yours. I put like 40 pesos instead of this one. Lola. Na hi. Naubos na hi. Mahay ka nga to dito kay Tilo. Hi. O mo dito ni tatay mo.
Kaya mo ito, kaya na akong mata, diferensyado.
Oh, sige na ako nahapotan na. Hapotan ako na hiya. Hey, ko ani. Ipangki pabuli kay pangki.
Hapon kayo sa naman ko na.
Tara, bulag nilin.
Hala.
Upat, mo pa yan mga upat ang baggage.
I'm not in.
Eh,
I'm not in. Push!
Hala, ya?
Push!
Sige, maalala kita. Hala. Sige.
Ano lagi mo? Mga agi.
Agoy. May panalapit niya.
Mom! Sophia, let's play badminton. Yep. No, Sammy, I need one. We have another beer.